Hello again. In my previous video I showed you how to create YAML policy and give it permission to make API call to S3 object and DynamoDB. In this video I will create a S3 bucket and set permission for my EC2 instance to make API call to this S3 object and put, let me show you, put my employees picture, this picture, this is the employee picture, put this picture in the S3 bucket. So I think it's time to create S3 bucket, and after that we will speak about why do we prefer S3 simple storage over other storage in AWS. You can come to my repository here in S3. I will create, if you search for S3, here you can create new bucket. My GitHub here, you have to have a unique name for each bucket, so I will use my name and a number. You have another configuration. By default public access is blocked. Put B block and continue, create your bucket. My bucket created. It's time to give access. In previous video we create a YAML role. It's time to give those YAML role make API call to this bucket. If you click on your bucket name in permission in bucket policy, you can use this policy. Here it's required to have your account ID. Here is my account ID, and here you should use your bucket name. That's it. Save change. Okay, our bucket is created and policy is set. But why do we choose S3 bucket over other storage in AWS? We have different kind of storage in AWS. Simple storage service. Also we have Amazon Elastic File System, Amazon EFSX, and Amazon Elastic Block Storage. Why do we use simple storage service in this project over EBS and FXS? In this project each employee have a picture and want to put this picture, and never it will put picture and it never change that picture. Here are four main storage in AWS: S3, EBS, EC2 instance, and EFS. If you have data and it doesn't change, put data, for example, a video, a picture, you put it there and it doesn't change frequently. And if you have a static content for your website or some media, you should use S3. Also, S3 give you a URL to any object and you have access to this object. It is for backup. You can use it to save your backup, video, photo, music, and it is also used for software delivery, data leak, static website, and static content. But you know, here I will have some EC2 instance will created using auto scaling service in AWS. So I will have, for example, it depends on the incoming request. I will have, for example, 20 EC2 instance in my environment, and all of them require to read data from a storage service. If I use EBS, Elastic's block storage, it will attach to a specific, for example, here is my EBS. It will attach to a specific EC2 and I cannot use it in other instances. There are some services, some EBS multi-attach services, but not all of them can attach to multi-instance. So EBS is we use simple storage for data doesn't change that often. But if your data is frequently accessed and updated, like some data used in MySQL database, you will use EBS. It is fast and durable. Let me show you here. If you have a EBS storage here and your data is saved in your storage, you can attach. First, you have to detach from this instance and attach it to another EC2 instance. So it is durable. EBS is fast and durable, but it has size limitation. For example, if we have 4K video, we will use Amazon S3 storage. Also, we have another kind of storage which is EC2 instance store. This storage is ephemeral and will destroy by destroying the instance. Your data will lost if you delete the instance. So this use the EC2 instance store for temporary data. Use EC2 instance for durable. It is durable storage. Temporary storage. EBS is durable storage. Also, we have another storage. It is EFS. If you have, it is shared storage system, and also it is file storage. For example, if you have NFS, you should use EFS. If you want to use NFS, you should use EFS. This is the main 4 type storage in Amazon service. That's it. I think we created our bucket and I described why do we use simple storage service in this scenario.